How to install your Healthy Plus Ultra. Turn off the main valve and remove the flexible hose. Ensure the O-ring is properly seated inside the female adapter. Screw the female adapter to the main valve and tighten using a wrench. Reattach the existing flexible hose. Wrap the hoseball valve thread with Teflon tape. Screw the hoseball valve onto the female adapter and tighten using the wrench. Unscrew the nut and insert the blue hose. Push the blue hose into the hoseball valve, then screw the nut and tighten using the wrench. Insert the blue hose to the inlet and white hose to the outlet of the unit. Secure both hoses with the lock clips. Drill a hole 10 millimeters in size and install the Megafresh faucet. Connect the white hose into the Megafresh faucet. Turn on the main valve, hoseball valve, and Megafresh faucet. Run continuously for 3 to 5 minutes to flush out the carbon residue. Drink and breathe fresh with Megafresh.